Welcome back to the vlog, guys. How you guys doing today? Today, I'm at the airport right now. You see, we already hopped on one flight. We're in Washington right now. We're going to Chicago. So, yeah, I've been vlogging. I did a little vlogging on the plane, but not much though. I broke my hand. I didn't do a video about this, so you guys really don't know about that. But I will let you guys know. But we're in. Yeah, I already said we were in Washington. We had a layover or delay due to weather. I was like, oh my god, we got an hour. So it is 8:08. We're bored at 9. So yeah, wheels up at 10. So I'll catch you guys back then. Ooh, yeah, that way. Ooh, ooh. Oh, almost fell. Let me scoot over. Oh, yeah, that way. What we about to go do right now?
Grab my bag and do.
Ooh, almost fell. Ooh, look at this tunnel though, y'all. It's a little dope. What am I talking about? What am I talking about? I don't know, DDG. I can't even hear right now. But, ooh, yeah. Kayla, wait. Ooh, yeah. I don't even know what I'm talking about. Why
I gotta pick my hair too.
I don't. Oh! Oh, we can walk on this joint. Look at this tunnel, y'all. What am I? Oh, we going fast. Oh, look like we speaking. We speaking now. What am I talking about? What am I doing? A minute clip, dog. What we doing, dog? I can't even hear. Like, oh, y'all look, I ain't. It's some shaky. Oh, look, that's small. That's key. All right, look. What am I? Well, penis. Slap on the head. Well, penis. Oh, what's against that wall right there, y'all? Well, penis. Slap it. Oh, we saw. Oh, what am I talking about? Cut the clip. It's a minute and a half. What are we doing? What are we doing? Oh, let me catch her. What are we talking? I look good right now. Oh, that tank was talking. Hey, look. Oh, that thing behind you trying to stumble, dog. All right, y'all. What we about to go do, Mom? Oh.
Where's the baggage at?
We gotta go to the baggage claim, I guess. Or wherever it's called to go get our bags. This is just one of my bags. I want my laptop in it. Are we even? Hold up. It says it right there.
How the hell we keep going up and down? It's on my damn back.
What are we talking about? Oh, almost. Oh yeah, am I too? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that way. Ooh. What am I talking about? Cut the clip. I don't know. What am I talking about? We gotta get our bag. Yeah. Ooh yeah. Yo, wrong way. That's the wrong way. Wrong way. That way. That way. Wait, what? Dangerous. But what? We gotta do what? Boy, you might joke. What's that on my face? Oh no. Oh no, what is that? I got our bags, y'all. I'm about to get my bag. I'm gonna get y'all back. Ooh, check the fit. Ooh. It's my little sister. Wait, come here. That's my little sister, y'all. That's my little sister. Ooh, yeah, that way. That way. Oh, yeah, that way. But I used to try. Ooh, what am I doing? What am I doing? Where's the bag? All right. What's the odds of you getting up here when it turn on? What's the odds of you getting up here when it turn on? Ooh, none. Ooh, none. Ooh, no way. Where's she at? Right now we about to go get our bags. They was in a different location, I guess. So we gotta walk down to 12. What's it called? 12 what? Oh yeah, I guess our bags are out here already. So I don't know. I'm about to go to that. I gotta get an Apple computer too, y'all. I'm gonna get one soon. I was about to get one, but then again, I was like, nah, I already got a computer. I don't really need another one. But all right, let me. What am I talking about? Oh, okay, I got my bag. I got my bag right here, y'all. Ooh, yeah, that way. Mom, where we at? Oh, we in Chicago right now, y'all. Ooh, yeah, that way.
Take care of your stuff. And that was brand new.
Look at mine too. Mine's the same way.
Oh,
Bro, I don't appreciate that.
you didn't make a complaint.
Well, we about to go do that because I spent $50.
You gotta come. Look how dirty. It's brand new and they don't take this. You could toss it all on the ground and everything.
Yeah. Bro, look at my bag, dog. Oh, it's jacked up. But I'm just kidding, though. Ooh. Ooh, yeah, that way. Ooh, turn the... Well, yeah, I got some rental car. Rental car. All right, guys. I guess we at Sweetie Pies. We got to rent a car. But I guess we at Sweetie Pies now. I don't know. Smell good. It do smell good. I don't know. What state is we in?
Missouri.
Missouri.
St. Louis, Missouri.
This is what I got. This is what he got. This is what everybody got. We got to our hotel. We got to check in. So I'm gonna get that thing done later. Oh, I didn't click the record button, but But yeah. Oh, look at all the bikes.
Come on.
It's a whole line of bikes back there.
Damn. It's one.
I guess they having a. They did come down from like Michigan or something.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
But guys, I keep dropping the money. You got the passport, Jake? You got it? I thought I had the record button, but I didn't. But we about to go to the front desk because we gotta get changed for this because the machine not taking it. And this hotel's big. Bro, I got my almost dropped it. I need some vlog. Oh my god.
But I'm the one side that gym, bro. Fuck it.
Yeah, yes, bro. We gotta do this first. I need some vlog footage though. So,
Fuck your
you know Mongo see this, alright? What am I saying? Cut the vlog. He think it's gonna work.
This one right here, right?
What is this? Bruh, 250. Watch out. 250. What they got? And they got the ice. Don't even work, dog. Spit back out. What I tell you, dummy? They gonna try to blow the money like that's gonna help. It's not gonna work. I don't got my tripod up here, guys. So if it's shaky, I'm sorry for the shakiness.
What you call it?
That's why I gotta go to the front. But what is he talking about? Oh my god, what is he talking about? This is the rental vlog, road trip vlog. I had to edit. Exactly. I had to edit this later. I'm gonna try to post it tonight. I don't know. Bye. I don't know what I'm talking about. Oh my god. That's the end of this vlog. We was all over the place today in this vlog, so I'm sorry for that. But yeah, I'm gonna catch back tomorrow because I didn't know what I filmed today. I just edited it, put it in how it was. So yeah, I don't really know what we got. So, but tomorrow, yeah, we're going to like a reunion or something like that. So I'm gonna try to vlog. Yeah. So yeah. So thanks. Be a part of the notification squad, please, guys. Like and subscribe. And favorite, I guess. I love you guys. So see you in the next one. Peace.